Today, we're exploring the journey of Karen Mulder, the Dutch supermodel who reigned as one of the Magnificent Seven in the 1990s, gracing countless Vogue covers and becoming one of the original Victoria's Secret angels. Known for her ethereal blonde beauty and a career that defined the era of the high fashion icon, Mulder's path took a dramatic turn in the early 2000s when she stepped away from the runway and faced intense personal and mental health struggles. So, where is Karen Mulder now? Let's find out. Following her retirement from modeling at the peak of her fame in 2000, Mulder's life became the subject of intense media scrutiny. In 2001, she made headlines after a controversial appearance on a French television show where she made startling allegations against high-profile individuals and industry figures. This period was marked by a public mental health crisis that led to her hospitalization and a long retreat from the fashion world. Aside from a brief, triumphant return to the runway for Dior's 60th anniversary show in 2007, Mulder has spent the last 2 decades prioritizing a life of total privacy. Far removed from the flashbulbs of Paris and Milan, Mulder remains one of the most elusive figures of the supermodel era. Unlike many of her contemporaries, such as Naomi Campbell or Cindy Crawford, she has completely rejected the modern influencer path, avoiding social media and public appearances. While her absence has sparked countless rumors, those close to her have occasionally shared that she has focused her energy on motherhood, raising her daughter Anna, who was born in 2006, and her passion for music and singing, which she pursued through a French-language album in the mid-2000s. Where is Karen Mulder now? As of now, Karen Mulder is living a quiet, private life in France, primarily residing in Paris and spending time in the south of France. Now 55 years old, she has successfully maintained her anonymity for nearly 20 years, choosing to raise her daughter away from the paparazzi. While she is no longer active in the fashion industry, her legacy continues to be celebrated by major fashion houses and fans of 90s nostalgia. Professionally, Mulder has no active modeling contracts and has not expressed interest in a comeback to the industry. She remains a symbol of the immense pressure faced by young women in the high fashion world of the 90s, and her story is often cited by mental health advocates as a reminder of the importance of prioritizing well-being over fame. In early 2026, she continues to live as a civilian, focusing on her personal peace and her family above the lure of the spotlight. Karen Mulder has transformed from a global fashion icon into a woman who values her silence and her truth. While she no longer fits into the neat little box of a working supermodel, she continues to prove that the ultimate luxury is a life lived on one's own terms. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite icons and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.